Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Our good name is Garitech Interior Design. If you have not yet subscribed, kindly make sure you have subscribed. And then you have saw the last video, I'm so grateful that we have finally monetized our YouTube. So guys, make sure you don't skip any ads that you will be seeing popping up on your screen each and every time. So I appreciate you so much. This is your effort that you are giving towards. So yesterday, like you can see, even there's a video that I've posted yesterday. I told you that we will come to do piping of this simple a 3-bedroom house, electrical piping. So I will let you show how this is like just a simple, it's not more that complicated. These are, we are just doing a simple design that align with the low budget that our client had. So outside here, like you can see, we have a double socket that will be serving this balcony. When you are bored inside the house, you can come and chill over here. Maybe you have a party, you can come and then chill over here. And then, like you can see, this is the entrance. And then over here, we have placed these two single buttress over here that will be a switch box that will be operating this corridor, of which when we'll come and then put our downlights, our interior designing, will be enough to carry the switchings that will be, let's say, wall bracket, snake light, down lights, and then centerpiece that will be now fully will be now, as in will be ready to hold the appliances that will be installed here. And then the second one will be for balcony and securities that will be installed outside over there. And then over here, this is our launch. Like you can see, just quite spacious. As you can see over here, this is the provision for the TV. Like you can see, these two pipes are over here. One will bring a power to these two sockets, and there's another socket at behind there. And then another pipe will bring aerial antenna that will be serving this TV over here. That after we have already done our TV, after whenever we will come and then install here a TV, his antenna will pass through this here. Like you can see, there are two double sockets. The first one is over here, and then here that will be over for the maybe charging of your phone, and then anything that will be needed to require to do at down there. And then at other side here, like you can see, this is the provision for the air condition. We always do earlier, so that after, we don't want to see any surface, like a client putting trunking at the surface. So like you can see, this is the piping work for the air condition. Like you can see, here will be a DP switch for controlling an air condition. And then here is another double socket that will be at back of the seats over here, so that maybe you have chill over here, you can even come and charge of your phone over. And then this pipe is the one that I show you outside. It has a double socket that will be using for charging. And then on the other up part here, this is the two switching points that will be used to serve this sitting room. Like you can see, like if you put mostly, let's say, will be a 6-gun, and then a 6-gun, there's no switch that has a 6-gun. The little one is 5-gun. So if you come and put here 5-gun, and the other one will be for, let's say, an the regulator. Nowadays they bring these new fans that have come. They have an you come and then it forces you to come and then install a buttress at the top of here. So we don't recommend this, so that's why we put our another the provision over there. And then there are wall brackets. Like you can see, the first one is over there, the second one is there, and the third one is dashed at the end over there, so as to make it look very amazing. Like you can see, the sitting room is so spacious. It can accommodate even 14 to 20 people. So here, this is the first bedroom. As you can see, it's of 17 by 17 in measurement. Like you can see, just quite big. It's just quite amazing. And then over here, we have a double socket. As always, we always ensure that we provide a double socket, so that whoever will be using this room have enough charging ports to charge his own, or maybe a laptop with a phone or something else. And then over here, this is the switching point that will be used on this sitting on this first bedroom. And then at here, like you can see, this is a switch box here will be used that if you come from the entrance, and if you come from entrance from the main door, you will put your lights on. And then if you come, maybe the one will be operating this house and this one, if you want to put off, he will come and just put it off over here. No need to go back either there, so that after he have entered, he can switch it off and then enters in his or her own room. And then this is another bedroom, like you can see, is of same design, same shape of the other one. This is a double socket, like you can see over here. We have provided it. And then over here, this is the lighting point, switching point for this another second bedroom. And then here we'll just be going quickly. So this one here is our kitchen, like you can see. At up here, this is the lighting point. Over here is that will be used to lighting this kitchen. And then over here, this will be used to light the store over here. This is the switching point for the toilet, the store over here. And then at up here, this one will be for cooker, like you can see. There's a provision over here, so this will be for cooker. And then cooker socket over here, and then cooker unit at down there. And then here will be a socket that will be using at the top of our blender. So when we'll place our worktop here, this will be providing, let's say you have a blender or anything that you want to use on a worktop, you can use it over this one. And then here, this is a switch, a socket that we'll be using for our fridge on inside this kitchen. So guys, that was our kitchen. And then over here, this is this one will be using for lighting point for this toilet over here. And then at end here, this is our CCE, consumer control unit. Like you can see, it's a 4-way that will be using over this house. And then this is the master bedroom, like you can see. It's just amazing, it's just big. Over here, this is a double socket, like you can see. It's over here, we have already installed each switch box. And then over here, this is the switching point for this entire master bedroom, like you can see over there. And then here will be the switching point for this toilet over this. This is a master toilet. And then at end here, we have this is a bed switch, like you can see. I think up to now you know the meaning of the word bed switch or a strapper. This is a strapper. And then this is a provision for the air condition. And then there's a double socket at the end over there, like you can see. There's a outlet over there. And then at the end over here, we have a wall bracket, of which we install 2 wall brackets on this amazing master bedroom. So guys, if you've watched up to there, kindly consider subscribing, like, share, comment. And if you have any inquiry, you can just contact our number. It's 0746289667, 0746289667. Anyone, if you have maybe inquire our services, you can rate us, so that whoever feels that maybe has an issue of insecurity, you can just say how we served you and how amazing we are. And then I think it will be so safe to hand over any job that he is having. So thank you. Let's meet on the next video, God willing.